Alrighty, okay, so I have finished my November art journal, which was actually done with the October kit because I was behind. And I'm ready to start the December one. So I thought I would do a flip through of the October kit, November journal, and then show you what came in the December one, and also show you I got I went in and bought one. They were on sale at Let's Make Art at the end of the year, and I ordered the real elastic to finish mine, but this was so pretty. It's a Carpe Diem one that's made for these journals that I just went on and bought it. So yeah, if y'all thinking, man, she did so good on her second one. Yeah, no, I bought it. Okay, so some of these pages you've seen. I have not done the cover. I'm not going to do the outside covers. I've decided this is all I'm going to do is document the kit and then when it was completed. Because I also bought 2 of the old kits that were before I started subscribing. And I'll do them at some point. So I'll just mark the kit that they were and then when I did them. Okay, so I have not done this. I'm just going to put pretty paper here. But it's not a real priority. Basically, anything stickery that was a scrap from the month, I just stuck there. I don't know where I thought it was going, but it definitely didn't end up anywhere. All right, this is one of their pages. This is one of their pages. And this is the poem with the redacted page. And the book page they sent was from Frankenstein. This one, I was going to put more doodles on it, obviously, and I might at some point, but I've just got to move on with the new kit and the new month because it is actually December 4th, and I'm still finishing my November month. Okay, this is their page, but they did it as a single spread, and I did it as a double spread, and I think I'm just going to always do that. I'm going to take their single spread ideas and I'm going to turn them into double spread ideas. And I liked doing them in different sizes because I just thought it was interesting looking. Let me back up a little bit more so you can see more of the page. This one was just totally me and my scraps, but it's still using the gesso and watercolor they sent. So it was still using out of the box. This one is my image, my idea, but still their supplies. Of course, it was my chipboard. And it was just, this was my Thanksgiving, obviously, page. And I just wrote all the things that I was blessed with this year. This is the Robin McClendon inspiration page. I was going to add fortune cookie fortunes off all these images and then put the word fortune up there. But once I got to this spot, I kind of liked it. So I just stopped. I can always add more to it later if I decide it needs it. Y'all tell me what you think. Do you think it's done? Do you think it needs words? Because I almost always have words somewhere. And I really liked it. So I just stopped. Do y'all ever do that? Okay, this one was a lot of fun. I took all my scraps, just beyond scraps, to do this background. And then I used the products they sent, which y'all can see I have almost used them up this month. But I did try to make sure I used their stuff on every page in some way. But I combined that. All right, so I did the paper scraps from all of the pages, including some of the stuff they sent, washi, all that to make the background. Then I just sewed over it a little bit to kind of push it all back. Used the 2 yellow and pink that they sent to colorize it, basically. And then I do the Reset Girl community. And I thought, I'd keep those 2 styles very separate. Why do I do that? So I took some of my Reset Girl stuff and I just combined them. So most of these stickers are from the Reset Girls. Okay, so these are from the Reset Girls Forever Fall collection. These are her Layering Circles collection. And the Layering Circles collection is one that she printed and sold. These are digital downloads. And I love the Reset Girls stuff. And then all the words are from the Forever Fall cool and crisp, snuggle up, light some candles. Fall leaves are falling. Beautiful, glorious fall. And then, of course, pumpkin spice everything. And then I took the India ink that they had in the kit. And I'm trying to learn how to use my pen better. So I outlined with it. I wrote with it. It's the first time I've ever written with it. And I had fun. And I think I'm getting a little better. It's definitely not one of the easiest things I've ever done. I decided at the end the edges did need to be dark, so I did take some Distress Stain to just give myself a little bit of a dark frame. And I thought that really made it feel way more fall. So this one, I was having a really bad day this day, and so all the background writing was just all the negative crap. And then I stuck on top of it all the things that I love. I like doing that when I'm just really having a bad day. And again, I decided to bring in some of my Reset Girl stuff. This is my favorite coffee. So when I was bringing in stuff that I love, Death Wish coffee is my absolute favorite coffee. In fact, I have a subscription. They mail me my coffee every month. This is the new artwork that I got for my bedroom. The artist is Colleen. Oh, I cannot remember her last name. It starts with a K, though. Carlin, maybe? Karlan, something like that. And that was on the art card that was attached to the paintings. And so I just cut out the image and stuck it on there. And then, of course, I love to read. So everything on there. And it is my favorite time of the year. So this was just, like I said, I had a bad day, and I covered it up. Okay, and then I thought I would just do a little art journaling for the month. I mean, a little journaling for the month. So again, I kind of combined the two styles, and I add some layering circles and washi to make my border, a tag sticker, and one of her prompts. And then I just kind of journaled about my month. I'm just going to put pretty paper back here and call it done. Okay, so December, of course, you get a blank book. You also got these Dylusion stencils, which I love. I love A, that they're Dylusions, and I love B, that they fit inside the journal, so they're always going to be handy. Although, as messy as I am with stencils, that might not be a good thing in the long run. But anyway, this is the Let's Make Art December 2020 kit. So it came with the new book. It came with these. Of course, it came with art cards. And what I have decided to do is keep the art cards right there in that little pocket. The theme is Record and Reflect. And then, of course, there are all the technique or project cards. There's 3 of each. And I love this that they do. They send a postcard for you to decorate. Look at that. It's already got a cute stamp on it. And then it has somewhere to send it. Last month's had a particular person. Or actually, it was October's. They had a glitch in their subscription, and I didn't actually get the November box. I'm gonna get it. I'm just getting it late. So anyway, but this one says just to pick someone to send it to. So I will do this card, and someone will get it. Who knows who? So anyway, I have been able to just keep these right there. Okay. So then supplies this month, I've got to get a menstruator, it won't shut. Supplies this month are way more minimal. Of course, you got the stencil. You got 2 makeup sponges, and that's what I already use. So they could have saved their makeup sponges. I buy them in huge things. Yes Paste. I think you must get this every month. And I actually do like it, but I think I'm going to go in and buy a big tub of it because I use a lot of paste when I do something like this, and I used this entire little thing on the last one, on the first page. I think maybe it may have made it the first 2 pages. It definitely did not make it beyond the first 2 pages, so that's not enough glue for me. I'm a gluey kind of girl. All right, then this is what we got, and I have never used these. And I don't know how to say that last name, so I'm probably going to say it wrong. Y'all just bear with me. But I think it's probably Vicky Bouton. Powdered pigment set. It says you can use with mixed media mediums, or it says you can use it with water. I watched them use it last night, and because they also come with videos. So I watched them use it last night, and basically they just use the pigment powders to mix their own color if you didn't want to use one of the pure colors, and then added water. So that seems easy enough. I don't know once it dries if it's still water reactive. If I don't know. I would assume it still is. But I don't know. I've never used these, and there's 9 colors, and they're pretty fabulous colors. So that's the supply. There's the colors for this month. Yeah, pretty fabulous colors. And then, of course, we always get collage stuff. And I haven't even opened it yet. And there's something here of directions for making a box. We'll see what that is at the end. Because no, I haven't even opened these. So today is December 4th. I am officially swapping to my December kit. And I do hope to actually finish it in December. But that is what I got, what I did in the old kit, what I got in the new kit, and I hope you'll have a fabulous Friday. Bye.